All right.
Okay,
See you there.
thank you so much.
Yeah. Text me if everything okay. Yeah.
I will.
Yeah.
Bye,
Thank you.
Peter. Come back
Bye.
again, okay?
I will. Thank you so much for
Sure.
taking care of me.
Yeah, you're
Let me
welcome. You're
stay.
welcome. Anytime.
Regards to Joe. Hi, Joe. Hi.
Bye.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the vlog. It's been a while. A whole day, actually, because I did not vlog yesterday. Yesterday was kind of a rest day, so just wanted to chill before my flight to Japan, where I have to travel 4 hours. Even though I woke up today feeling a little achy, but hopefully I'm not getting sick. Gonna head to our flight now, to our gate. Alright, boarding my flight to Japan. I will see you guys there in Tokyo. And we have made it to Tokyo, Japan. Now we gotta make our way to my friend Ian, which you will meet soon. So let me figure out where to go. This airport looks big. Alright, made it to the train platform. So the goal is to not get lost. We'll see. So far I think I'm doing it correctly. Hopefully. Okay, so far I've not got lost. Awesome. Almost did. Almost took the wrong train, went the wrong way, but you didn't trick me in Japan. I had a lot of practice in New York, so did all the wrong trains then. Anyways, I'm really thirsty, so. Okay. Awesome. Alright, gotta keep going. Almost there. Alright, I should be within walking distance of the hotel now. I know it's dark, you can't see me, but I'm just so excited to start exploring this place. Like, just riding the trains and seeing all the things as I pass by. I'm very excited, and hope you guys are too. Hopefully we're gonna see a lot. We're gonna have a lot of fun. Anyways, I'm gonna find Ian. He's probably knocked out, actually. I'm super late. This whole ordeal took a lot longer than I thought, so I'll probably just see you guys tomorrow with our first full day in Japan. Back today for our first full day in Japan. It is about 6-something a.m. We got up really early because me and Ian didn't actually go out for drinks or anything last night. We just kind of went to bed because it was pretty dang late when I got there. But yeah, right now we're gonna go out and get some breakfast. Got a recommendation on like a traditional Japanese breakfast. The only problem is we don't know where it's at, and we have to kind of find our way, use the old ways, maps. Google Maps it? Yeah. In a 7-Eleven. I'm really excited to check out all the stuff they have. Look at it! Alright, just got finished at the 7-Eleven. Got a bunch of goodies. Thanks to Ian. Thank you. I think we're heading back to the hotel?
Yep.
To chill?
Headed back.
Alright, can do that. Rest up a little bit. But breakfast was good. Alright guys, just heading to my hostel, and then I gotta really figure out how to use this JR pass to get around, because I want to start exploring, get to the hostel and put my things away. Can't be carrying this thing around all the time. Okay, I checked into my hostel, put my bags away, and now I'm gonna head to the Meiji Shrine. So just gonna head out there. Should be a nice place to have lunch. Got my lunch in my bag that I got from my 7-Eleven trip earlier with Ian. Just gonna go head to the train station. Okay, I'm trying to find the entrance to the park for the shrine, but I don't know where it is. And Google Maps led me to what I thought would be the spot, but there's no entrance. So I gotta go around, well, or maybe follow some people, and hopefully I can find it. Hopefully soon. Okay, so update. I haven't found the entrance, but trying to Google up how to get inside. So, aha! I turned the wrong way, so we gotta go back. I made it! I found it! So peaceful here. It's like if I didn't know that there was a actual city and buildings and cars right on the other side of that, I would just think that I came really far to like the woods. And it's just so great that Japan has something like this where you can just go and be immersed in nature, which is what I really enjoy about this. It kind of just takes you out of the city and puts you somewhere where you're not normally. I honestly don't know where I'm walking to right now, but I think that's the best part about doing this right here. It's just I can just wander this whole park and just enjoy it and go where this road takes me. Now I'm just gonna enjoy my lunch. Very late lunch because I got caught up in all of this. Got a little lost in the nature part of it. But I'm pretty hungry now and enjoy this while I enjoy the rest of this place. No, I actually kind of wanted to do that. Shiba Inu Cafe. They're so adorable. They have the owl ones, but as exciting about I actually did not plan to go down this street, but it was right next to the station, so why not? I made it all the way to the Shibuya crossing. We're gonna check it out. It's crazy out here. There's all these ads and there's loudspeakers. I love it. Shibuya crossing. That wasn't so bad. Alright guys, had an awesome first full day in Japan. Super tired. My back's actually kind of hurting. I think it's from carrying around my bag all day trying to get to my Airbnb. But overall I had a lot of fun. I'm super excited for tomorrow, and I'll see you guys then. Good night.